Hi guys, in September, Francis Wong, CMO of Realme India and Europe confirmed the existence of Realme 9. Later that month, the company confirmed that the next numbered series would hit the market in 2022. While Mr. Sheth didn't divulge anything else about the Realme 9 series, we are now hearing that the lineup will launch in India in 2022. The source claims that the Realme 9 series will include 4 smartphones: Realme 9, Realme 9 Pro, Realme 9i, and Realme 9 Max and Pro Plus. The last variant will be a first for the number series since Realme is yet to launch a number series smartphone with the Max or Pro Plus moniker. The former is not new to Realme, though, since the phone maker launched the Realme X7 Max 5G in India a few months ago, which is actually a rebranded Realme GT Neo available in China. Circling back to the Realme 9 lineup, the source says that Realme plans to launch all 4 models in India next February. But we might also see the young brand announce the phones at 2 different events. As of now, we don't know much about any of the Realme 9 series smartphones, but we expect to get more details as the launch comes near. However, the Realme 9 Pro Plus is rumored to sport an AMOLED display, and it is expected to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset. There are also some chances that the Realme 9 Pro Plus might feature a 108 megapixels main sensor. Thank you for watching. See you soon.